Welcome back to the channel. It's Grizzly artwork here. Today we're going to be making one of the first carvings that I ever made, which is a tree wall hanger. I'm going to add a little bit of a curve to it, just out of a scrap piece of wood I got here. If you like what I do here, please subscribe and comment down below of what I should make next. We're going to spray paint a stencil down so we know where we're working with. And we're going to be using the Still 251. Now, we're at the point where we can leave it like this, or we can add some color, and that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of color to it with some spray paint. And all I'm going to be using is I use the Rust-Oleum 2X. And that is how you make a quick tree. Don't forget to follow for more videos, and see you next time.